Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to make this blackened salmon recipe. It's a quick and easy recipe. It's flavorful, so if you guys are interested to see more, keep on watching. So to get this recipe started, I've got 4 beautiful pieces of salmon. We're going to open the bag, show you what it looks like, and then we are going to continue with this delicious oven-baked blackened salmon recipe. So that is what our salmon looks like, guys. It's fresh, it smells really good. But we are going to go off camera. We're going to wash these beautiful salmon pieces, make sure they're nice and clean, just to clean the residue off and all the extra, bacteria and stuff that's on these beautiful salmon pieces. Okay guys, so once the salmon is washed completely, this is what it looks like. We're going to go in with our paper towel, pat the salmon dry. Make sure it's nice and dry. It's going to help the salmon to get nice and crispy while it's baked in the oven. So once our salmon pieces are nice and dry, we're going to get a small bowl. We are going to go in and add all of our flavorful ingredients into the bowl. So first ingredients we're going to add is our paprika seasoning. Next we're going to go in with our garlic powder, onion powder, chill powder to add lots of flavor to this blackened salmon recipe. Next, we're going to add some ground cayenne pepper. Along with our ground cayenne pepper, we're going to add some dry parsley. Next, we're going to go in with some dry oregano leaves. Now we are going to add our cumin powder, ground black pepper to add lots of flavor, and fine sea salt. So those are all the ingredients that you need to make this blackened salmon recipe. It's a flavorful recipe, quick and easy to make. We're just going to mix those ingredients together. Then we're going to coat out these beautiful salmon pieces into our extra virgin olive oil. Now we are going to flip these beautiful salmon pieces over to the opposite side. We're going to add the oil on the opposite side as well. So I don't know about you guys, but each time I'm making salmon, I season the back side as well. Okay, because the skin of the salmon, guys, it has lots of flavor. So you want to make sure you add the seasoning on that side as well. Now that our beautiful salmon pieces are fully coated into the oil, we're going to flip them over to the opposite side. We're going to get our seasoning ready. So to season these beautiful salmon pieces, you will need a brush. So first you're going to dip the brush into the seasoning. You're going to pat the seasoning onto the salmon. Do not rub the seasoning onto the salmon, guys. Just use the brush just like that. pat the seasoning onto the salmon. Make sure it's fully seasoned. Now is the perfect time to preheat our oven. So we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Then we're going to set these beautiful salmon pieces to bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. And those salmon pieces looks absolutely beautiful, guys. It's fully seasoned, as you guys can see. So like I said before, we're going to bake for 15 to 20 minutes and 350 degrees. So we're going to get our baking tray ready. We're going to place these salmon pieces onto the baking tray. At this point, your oven should be preheated on 350 degrees. And we're going to bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. So before you insert your salmon pieces into the oven to bake, we're going to add some butter to the salmon to make sure it stays nice and moist while it's baked in the oven. After baking for 15 to 20 minutes, this is the final results. That's what the blackened salmon recipe looks like. It came out absolutely beautiful. It was nice and flavorful. It has that nice brown color. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I hope to see you lovely people in my next video. Take care. Bye.